Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by verifying your Apple ID and making sure you can sign in. This is essential because cancellations require account access. Once signed in, open the App Store or Settings immediately and navigate to your purchase history so you can locate the specific charge. Make sure to note the transaction date and vendor. This saves time when disputing. If you're on a Mac, use the App Store app. On iPhone, use Settings or the App Store app directly to proceed to details. Once you've found the purchase, go to Report a Problem or tap the Receipts link and select Report an Issue. This is where you initiate cancellation. Choose the most accurate reason, accidental purchase, unauthorized charge, or subscription cancellation, and write a concise explanation including date and amount because Apple reviews context. After submitting, you'll get a confirmation email. Keep that. If it's a subscription, also cancel the subscription in Settings to prevent future charges while the refund processes. Finally, monitor your email and payment method for the refund. Processing typically takes 5 to 10 business days, depending on your bank. If Apple denies the request, escalate by contacting Apple support with your case ID and receipt. This increases clarity and the chance of reversal. Make sure to also contact your bank if the charge persists. Sometimes banks can place a temporary credit or open a dispute. If problems continue, request escalation and document every communication for reference.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.